Identity property. The identity property states that any number combined with its identity element remains unchanged. So here we have addition, a plus 0 equals a. So 0 is the identity element for addition. If we add a 0 to a number, we get the number itself. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. For subtraction, it's the same thing. A minus 0 equals to a. So we did 3 minus 0 is still equals to 3. The identity element for subtraction is also 0, like addition. Multiplication, a times 1 equals a, 8 times 1 equals 8. So for multiplication, the identity element is 1, it's not 0. If we would do 8 times 0, it would be 0. So 1 is the identity element for multiplication. For division, is also 1, the identity element. A divided by 1 is a. 9 divided by 1 equals to 9. So like for multiplication, the identity element of division is 1.